Hello and welcome back to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I'm Dustin. The question here today is plug done. Because when we look at what we have here, the price is at $9.05. The price is now below its 5-day moving average. The 5-day moving average is below its 20-day moving average. And you had 69 million plus shares traded today in plug while it was down 15.8% on one day. It's now down on 5 days, 22%, on 15 days, 28%, and 1 month, 26%. This thing is negative over a 6-month rolling return. And we went from yesterday being up 43% over 3 months to only up 15%. It lost nearly 30% or 30 nominal 30% in one day. That's absolutely insane. We can see here that we have a go short on the short term, intermediate term, and longer term. We are bearish on the short term, intermediate term, and still bullish somehow on the longer term. I am not sure how that's possible. Plug has got a falling bear, which it's had, it looks like, since the 1st of August. Not great. We're going to go ahead and look at the charts. Yuck. I mean, if I look at the weekly here for plug, all I can say is, how is this thing at $60 in 2021? The short of the century has been plug, it looks like, because now we have dropped from where we were just a few weeks ago, around $13, all the way down to a base of $9.05. You can see here in the daily sentiment, we have rolled over. We are below the 15-day moving average line. We are at 56% bullishness. This is the most amount of volume that has been traded in plug the entire 9-month period looking back. That's terrifying. We can see that volatility is falling, and I generally believe that when volatility is falling, trend exposes itself. We see that the correlation is currently positive. It doesn't want to go negative. Even though you see that it was starting to fall, it won't go negative, because now that volatility is falling, it wants to stay positive with it, because that's what the price is going to do. We can see here in the trade range was maybe going slightly bullish. I mean, maybe you're starting to move up. Now we have broken even below. The trade range was at 1031. We'll probably get a snapback and mean reversion. We can look at the ultra fast sentiment indicator. There's so much more that we can still lose, but tell me what you think in the comments below. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? And before you go, subscribe to the New High newsletter. You get 25 stocks to your inbox every single Sunday. Go get yourself some. I'll talk to you soon.